everybody. So we're in the Smoky Mountains for the first time ever, Gatlinburg area, and we're going to on the Alum Cave Trail. We're going to try to go to Arch Rock and Alum Cave Bluffs, so hopefully that'll work. We have to go to the Hatfield and McCoy's tonight for a dinner show, but we're hoping to get done in time and really see this, so let's go. Safari thing. Yeah, and there's like a big rock gonna start rolling down at us. So we've been zigzagging across the river, and now we're going to go through the mountain. Okay, so now it looks like there's no trail. Watch this. Gosh, look at over here, Keith. Wow, nice. I think if we make it to just those last couple steps, we'll have accomplished what we came to do. Get to Arch Rock. So no more steps, so I think we're done, right? Unless we want to go more. So what are your thoughts on this hike? And I don't even know if I can see you.
It's a little strenuous, you know, just going up the hill. I think it'll be a little easier with gravity on our side. It was a good hike.
Yeah. Yeah, I really liked it too. And it's not that long, but I think almost 2.5 miles, right? Up to this point.
Yeah, it's about 5 miles round trip, so that makes sense.
Yep, so it won't be bad. Think we're almost there? Oh yeah, here's the curve. I think not too much further. After a long hike today, we are finally here at some cheesy Hatfield and McCoy show, right, Keith? We're waiting to eat because we're starving.
Fun.
Nothing here yet, but it's coming.
We found some great live bluegrass music here in downtown Gatlinburg, and we were told that the guitar player and lead singer there was Bluegrass Ken in the Barbie movie.